The COVID-19 pandemic has brought about major changes in our daily lives, and there is a need for contactless user interfaces to control devices in all industries. In addition to detecting conventional hold actions using infrared sensors, Renesis's 3D gesture AI solution can be used to easily develop applications capable of learning and judging gestures such as swipe, push, and rotate. It can recognize a wide variety of gestures, and thanks to the use of capacitive sensors, it costs less and requires lower power consumption. And it can realize high design flexibility because it is possible to recognize gestures even when there is a non-conductive barrier, such as paper or cloth. This will contribute to the realization of a smart society in the era of life with Corona. Traditionally, learning various gestures and generating AI models required extensive expertise to perform the complex process of collecting learning data, pre-processing data, adjusting learning parameters, converting the learned AI model to C source, and tuning accuracy by evaluating the actual device. The new QE for Capacitive Touch, provided by Renesis, is a tool that integrates AI learning functions for contactless gesture recognition using a capacitive touch sensor. Data collection, data pre-processing, AI learning, conversion to C source, and tuning functions, specialized for 3D gesture learning and judgment, are integrated and automated in 3 steps. Therefore, by simply following the workflow, the embedded system engineer can develop applications that can recognize various gestures without acquiring knowledge of AI. First, after adjusting the touch sensor electrode sensitivity in advance, create a gesture configuration. You can register any gesture and also collect learning data by repeating the target gesture operation using the recording function. It also supports an import-export function, and it is possible to import gesture data from multiple people. For AI learning using the collected data, data normalization, and data expansion settings, and the size of the neural network can be adjusted depending on the memory capacity and required decision accuracy. All data pre-processing and AI learning is performed automatically, and learning is complete when the learning curve exceeds 90% accuracy of the target line. Conversion of the learned AI model to C source can be done with one click. The generated AI learning model can be verified using the monitoring function. The sensor count value by the actual gesture is displayed in real time, and the judgment history of the gesture operation is displayed at the bottom. So if there is a misjudgment, the inferred waveform can be selected from the target history and added to the learning data, and the model can be learned again to improve judgment accuracy. It is also possible to adjust sensitivity, such as the distance to be detected and the speed of hand movement by changing the gesture judgment threshold. Please refer to the Renesis website for more details on QE for Capacitive Touch 3D Gesture AI solution and the evaluation board.